What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about the all new POCO F3 GT. Now this is the newest smartphone from the POCO which is released, and here's everything which you need to know about the smartphone and every single detail. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. Now starting off with the display for the phone, then it will come with a Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz of refresh rate and HDR10 plus content support with a peak brightness of 1300 nits. On the screen size, it is a 6.67 inch of large display, and it's more focused towards the gaming. Now what's better from the OnePlus Nord 2 in this phone is also that it will come with a IP53 dust and splash protection, and the weight of this phone is at 196 grams. The display is also protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and for the powerhouse, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor, same as the OnePlus Nord 2 except for the AI. The GPU is being same, and also for the internal storage, the base variant is 6 plus 128 with a UFS 3.1 storage. Now on the camera side, there is a 64 megapixel a primary camera, 8 megapixel of an ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel of a macro camera. Now what we also know about this phone is that for these front selfie cameras, it will come with a 20 megapixel of a selfie shooter which can record videos up to 1080p at 30 fps, and there are also stereo speakers, but the headphone jack is gone from this POCO F3 GT edition. Now is the GT means gaming turbo, and it's for the gamers, so you do get an extra 2 buttons haptics for a better gameplay for this phone, and an overclocked processor too. Now not only that, this phone on the back side also is protected by the glass, and the design for this phone is also different, but the fingerprint scanner is also a side mounted fingerprint scanner with a massive 5000 milliamp battery with this phone. Now is the overall POCO F3 GT better than the OnePlus Nord 2? Then yes, in some context it's better than the OnePlus Nord 2. For the gamers, it too comes with a mad mode and a fun mode for the gamers over there, and also with a more premium feel for the phone, and in terms of the looks and design also it's better than the OnePlus Nord 2. Now not only that, the display this time is a 120Hz instead of a 90Hz from the OnePlus Nord 2, and it do also support HDR10 plus content support with also higher touch rate sampling rate. The audio is also supported by the Dolby Atmos and high-res audio, so you can get a better audio out of this phone, and stereo speakers are also present on both of these phones. Now what do you think about this phone? Is this the phone to beat for the OnePlus Nord 2, and what do you think about its pricing? I suggest that the pricing of this phone will go around 30,000 rupees. And if you're looking for the pre-booking details, then I'll mention in the description below, so you can go check them out, or I'll pin a comment below. So if you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.